Chief, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Jimmy.
You're welcome, Jimmy.
How are you?
I'm fine.
How have you been?
I'm very fine, ma. I'm okay.
That's good.
It appears you're just returning from church service.
Yes, sir. I just came out from the church. Was heading home when you called. Yeah.
It's good you came. Sorry for the inconvenience.
It's okay, sir.
Onny, I'm coming.
It's okay. Jimmy?
Sir.
How's your mother?
Sir, she's fine. The last time I spoke with her.
The last time you spoke with her? Don't you call her?
I called her.
You call her? Okay. You spoke with her, so it's the same thing as calling. Okay. My bad. Jimmy.
Sir.
My wife and I have been discussing, we have personal relationship outside the company one because of your nature. And we feel that we should be able to do something to assist your family, So, consequently, we both agreed to place your mother on a monthly allowance, just a little stipend, to assist her. And you, of course. Okay?
Okay, sir. Right. Thank you so much. Right. Thank you, sir. Oh, thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. Ma, please help me and thank Chief. He just told me something now. And also you, I thank you so much.
You're welcome, Jimmy. It's the least we can do to help. Jimmy,
Ma.
What qualification does your sister Abigail have?
Ma, she has OND.
Okay.
Yeah.
OND in?
Mass communication.
Wow, that's good. That's good. Okay, I've decided for she to go back to school for her HND, and I will take up the responsibilities for that.
Okay, ma.
And while she's schooling, I would like to employ her as my personal assistant. That's if you don't mind.
Another one?
Yes.
Hey. Okay, it's okay, ma. It's okay, ma. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
No problem. The truth of the matter is that my wife told me about it, and I felt it's necessary for us to seek your consent first. You understand?
Sir, you already have my consent.
Really?
Yes, you don't need to ask for it.
It's okay. As for the allowance, I'm giving you the first month's own straight away. So this is 50,000. It's for your mom. So every month we'll be doing that. And your sister Abigail, we know she will need one or two things before she comes to the city. So there's another 50,000 for her to take care of that, buy a few things before coming.
Sir, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. I appreciate it.
It's okay, please.
May God bless you. Thank you. Thank you, ma. Thank you, oh.
Sit down, Jimmy.
Hey.
You see, in this life, the least we can do is to help those that are close to us. And you've been, you are more or less our family member.
Yeah.
The way you make us laugh, the way you make everybody in the company happy.
And very diligent.
Yes.
Thank you.
All right. So I'm happy that you are happy.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. All right. And I'm happy too.
Okay.
We are glad you're happy, Jimmy.
Yeah.
So we acknowledge the fact that you are more or less a family member, one of the Douglases. So
Jimmy, drink up while you listen.
When I have this, I'm even full self. I don't even want to take any other thing.
Okay.
It's all right.
That's
It's
okay.
all right. So,
Fine.
So the least we can do is to assist you, and your family, so that you'll be more comfortable. That way you will even work more, right?
Thank you, sir. May God bless you. Thank you, ma.
God of the poor.
brother. Well, we are fine. How are you? Good afternoon. I'm fine. No, how are you doing? This one, you're sounding so excited. What's going on? I can hear you.
What is it?
Me? Brother, we're going back to school.
How?
Mama is fine. She's here. I should give her the phone. Okay.
Brother, Jeremiah, my son. Oh, good news. Oh, thank God for them. Oh, your sister will go back to school.
Amen.
Me? Monthly allowance? 50,000. For doing what? You mean every month they will give me 50,000? Hey! For doing what? Hell! God, thank you. Jeremiah, just carry loads and loads of thanks and give to them. Hey! Nigga, your salary earner. How? Father, thank you.
Amen.
Thank you. Okay, you're coming. Okay. To give us the money, we'll be expecting you. Oh, we are expecting you. Hey! Hello? Hello?
Mama, give me.
Hey.
Hello, brother. Brother. My phone has got. Hey! Mama!
But come on. What did I do to deserve this? How?
Hey.
Father, thank you.
Amen.
Salary earner.
You.
Mm-hmm.
Mama, happy for you. Hey! 50,000 naira for you.
Onye se kampo.
Hey!
Onye kampo.
Hey!
Onye kampo.
Hey! Hey! Hey!
Chineke okede. Ekede.
Hey! Jehovah Jireh. Hey!
Abumi embo emewo ya. O mere ya na mwe ya.
Mama!
Oh, thank you. Father, thank you.
Mama, do you know that?
I've been waiting, I've been praying.
You alone. Me, personal sister. I have been wishing. I have been praying. And I will also go back to the city. And finish my HND. Mama is God no wonderful. Hey!
It's too much, Abigail.
Mama.
Oh, one regret that your father is not here to witness all this with us.
Hey, Mama, you're too funny.
I have been faithful.
No, I want to spoil this good news. No.
I have been living my life in fear of you.
It's not as if I'm not happy. It's just that you will leave for the city and I'll be the only one left in this village.
Mama, you have been the one always in the village where I go to school. Why the difference?
I know. Just that I also want to be a city woman.
And you also be a city woman very soon.
Are you sure?
Okay, let me tell you. Brother Jimmy confided in me and told me he's also going to move you to the city very soon.
Oh.
Yes. Yes.
Abigail, so you see, you're not the only one going to the city.
Yeah.
I will join too.
And so you're also going to be a city woman.
Yes, so
there's no need for you to be sad. I'm going.
I'm so happy.
Thank you,
I'm happy right there.
But okay, Mama, wait. Now when you get to the city now, you say, I want to go back to the village. I want to go and take care of my farmland, my fowls, my goats, my okoko, okay, chicken, okay, this. Stay. No fowl this time.
But you know all these things you've mentioned, they are very necessary, aren't they? So one way or the other, I'll take care of them and still be the city woman.
So you're going to be a city woman very soon. And I will be a personal assistant to the honorable.
Can you believe how things are turning around for us?
I can't wait.
Hi,
Mama.
Hey! There's virtue in patience, honestly.
Nganga.
I'm fine, baby. How are you? How about your kids?
They're fine.
See, your shop is really booming.
Wow. God, though. Janet, please make sure you make that hair well, okay?
You can say that again. This is God at work.
It's God. I love your hair.
My hair?
Yes.
My sister. Let's be managing now. What can one do? Thank you. At least I'll come so that you will just help me with all my hair.
It's okay.
Please 1 minute. Jimmy. Hi, Jimmy. Good day. I'm okay. I'm fine. And you? You sound so excited. What's going on? I should guess? No. You know I don't know how to guess. Just tell me. Just say it. What? What did you just say? You don't mean it! You mean Chief Douglas promised to be paying your aged mother 50,000 naira every month? Oh my god! Oh my god! Are you serious? Oh my god! This is so good! Yes! What? Your sister? You mean Abigail is going back to school? Oh my god! Oh my god! You don't mean it! I told you there is nothing God cannot do. I told you that you should believe in Him. That one with God is majority. I told you, right? Now you can see it. There is no way God will forsake or forget His own people. Never. Oh my God, Jimmy. I'm so happy for you. See, we need to celebrate. Yes. Oh my God, I'm so happy. I'm so happy for you. Yes, I came to see my friend Debbie. Don't worry, we'll celebrate. Oh my God. Oh my God. You can't believe it.
What is it?
It's my friend Jimmy. Do you know that our MD promised to be paying the aged mother 50,000 naira?
Wow!
I'm telling you. Even the sister is going back to school. Oh my God.
That's a good news.
God will bless them.
This is my life, my life, my life, my life. This is my life, my life, my life, my life. I just wanna be free. I just wanna be free from all these troubles, pain and sorrows. I just wanna be free. What is my crime? What have I done wrong? I just wanna love somebody and pray that someone loves me back. I just wanna be the best I can. I don't wanna live a life of crime. What is my crime? This is my life, my life, my life, my life. This is my life, my life, my life, my life. I just wanna be free. Let me be free. What have I done wrong? What have I done wrong? Is it a crime to be real? Is it a crime to be truthful? Is it a crime to be poor? Am I the one responsible? What is my crime? What is my crime? This is my life, my life, my life, my life. My life, my life, my life. I just wanna be free. Let me be free from pain and sorrows. From pain and sorrows. Let me
Mr. Jimmy.
Hmm?
Is everything alright?
Yes, I am fine.
I don't know, you've been, holding your jaws and thinking all day.
I'm fine.
I was just worried because you've been quiet.
Yeah.
I just wanna love somebody and pray that someone loves me back. I just wanna be the best I can. I don't wanna live a life of crime. What is my crime? This is my life, my life, my life, my life.
Oh, this is good. Take this. Give it to Pedro. Let him sign his portion. Then tell him to submit it to the company's lawyer. Okay?
Okay, Chief.
Alright. That will be all for now. But you should be on standby. Okay? I will send for you as soon as Rosalind finishes typing the proposal. Alright?
Alright, sir.
Good.
It's the best thing I've ever done. Loving you, center of my world. You're the best gift I've ever got. Loving you, that's all I wanna do.
This is what I'm offering you. I don't know why you failed to notice me in this office, so I've come to you again.
Stephanie.
Yes, Chief.
Why are you this daft? Huh? Can't you see that I am happily married? What is this? I mean, this thing you're asking for is practically impossible. Okay?
Are you sure? Because most of you married men still have side chicks. So, are you sure you are happily married? Don't worry. I want to be your baby mama. Let me give you children that your wife has failed to give you.
Are you okay?
Of course I am okay, Chief. Being hard. I don't bite. Come on. Chief, hold my waist. Feel my boobs, Chief. They're all yours. Just allow me.
Stop! What is it? Stephanie.
Yes, Chief.
Get out.
Chief. Come on. Allow me to take you to Cloud9. Give you some young blood. Where you would shout and shout and shout for me not to stop. Come on. I am a rough rider. If I handle you, you'll be stunned.
Leave my office.
Feel me, Chief.
Leave my office now! What is this? I said leave! I said leave! Idiot!
I'm losing my mind. Can you hear me?
See big house. Fine house. Hey.
Abigail. Abigail.
Ma? Yes, ma. Yes.
Ahmed. Ma. Oh, get it back. Abigail. Abigail.
Huh?
Abigail, the village girl.
Mama.
You're welcome to our humble abode.
Thank you, ma. Thank you, Daddy.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Sweetheart, I have to go upstairs now, okay? Take Abigail to her room. Abigail,
Daddy.
just feel at home, okay?
I have been faithful. I have been living my life in fear of you. I have my reasons to quit, but please can we talk right now? Where is your mercy?
Mama.
Oh, I'm pleading your mercy. Can't take it no more. Can you hear me? Yeah, yeah, yeah.
This is so fine. Hey, my room. Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Ma. Thank you, Ma. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
This is beautiful.
You like it, right?
Yes, Ma. Oh, can you see the bed? Hey, thank you, Ma.
I'm glad you like it.
I do, Mama. Thank you.
So I'll just let you change it to something casual and meet me downstairs in the kitchen as you wish.
My wish. I'm coming. Thank you, Ma. Thank you so much. Hey, Mommy. Mommy, please, I want to tell you something. Mommy, I want to say thank you so much. Thank you so much for all you have done for my family.
It's okay.
You and Daddy. May God bless you and bless you. In Jesus' name I have prayed.
Amen.
Thank you, Ma.
Change, I'm waiting.
Okay, Ma. I'm coming. Thank you. you. This house is so beautiful. See cotton, see built. Hey, some people are very rich. Ooh, hey, hey. And some people are very poor. I wish Papa was alive to witness all this.
God of the poor,
Papa had to die because of
where
poverty.
have you been for long? Are you chilling somewhere? Can you feel my pain? God of
Mommy, what do we have for lunch?
Jollof rice.
Jollof rice? I know how to cook jollof rice.
Really?
In the village, I used to cook 9 jollof rice for my mother. So today, I'll be the one preparing jollof rice for you.
Wow. You will?
Yes, Mommy.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mommy.
Thank you.
So, you know you have traveled from a long journey. So all you have to do is go upstairs, go and rest your bones while I go into the kitchen and prepare something nice, sweet jollof rice. Okay, Jack? Go. Hey, you know how they used to do to the village. You will like it.
Okay, that's good.
Thank you,
Okay,
Mom.
I'll be upstairs.
I'm coming, no. Don't sleep, no. I'm coming. Let me go and prepare it. Take care. Come, Mommy.
It's like this thing has broken.
Really?
Help me.
How much?
I knew you wouldn't allow me to do it.
Please, I don't have 15,000 to give you to fix this.
I'm a billionaire's wife. Even if the nail spoils, but it doesn't spoil, you will still give me the money.
I believe in the
You
law
have
of
a choice.
economy. Okay, if you say so. So now how do I pull this thing?
Only, as if she knew I was so fagged out.
She? Who?
Abigail, of course.
What about her?
She actually asked me to go and rest while she prepared the meal.
Abigail is your PA, not your cook.
And she only offered to help. I don't have any ulterior motive.
On several occasions, I told you to employ a cook, but you said no.
I'm not complaining, am I? I'm not complaining.
You're not complaining, but I insist that you need a cook in this house.
Abigail is here now. She will help out.
Look, there is something you don't understand. And you are not making any effort to understand me. Abigail is in this house for 2 reasons. 1, to work for you as your PA.
Okay.
Thank you. Secondly, to further her education. Therefore, I don't want any distractions at all. And I don't want you to use, style, trickishness or whatever to convert her to your house help. Okay?
She's just a nice girl. She's just trying to be nice.
Whatever.
At times, Onny, when I think about our childlessness, it really hurts me.
Oh, honey, don't start. Don't start.
I need a child I can call mine. Just imagine the whole world we've acquired for ourselves. We don't have a child we can call ours.
Let me ask you this. Am I not worth more than 10 children to you?
You're my husband and not my child. I need a child.
But since they are not forthcoming, do you have to kill yourself? Huh?
See that at times, the way you show less concern about our childlessness, it really hurts me. You don't show any form of concern at all.
Really?
Like you don't care.
Like seriously?
Yes, honey, yes. And you know it's true.
Come on. How can you talk like this? Huh? Is it because I am not talking about it all the time? Do you know how many times I lie on this bed without sleeping because of this issue? Do you know? Look, I've told you, let us go for adoption. Since we've tried several IVF attempts and they all failed, let's go for adoption, my dear.
Onny, please don't go there. Please. Just don't go there, please. Don't go there.
Okay. Sorry.
Onny, please. Let's try one more IVF. Could be successful this time around. Please. Onny, you're not saying anything.
I want to be left alone.
I have been faithful. I have been living my life in fear of you. I have my reasons to quit, but please can we talk right now?
Thank you. Where are you off to?
I'm going to my room.
What for?
I want to go and eat my own food in my room.
Madam, come and dish some food for yourself and sit down.
Mommy?
Come and dish some food and sit with us.
Come. Join us, okay?
Thank you, Daddy. Thank you, Mom.
Such a great cook.
I can cook very well.
I guess your mom taught you how to cook, right?
It's not my mother. My brother Jimmy taught me how to cook.
Jimmy?
How come it's Jimmy that taught you how to cook and not your mother?
My mother gave birth to brother Jimmy 10 years after she got married. And gave birth to me 10 years after she gave birth to brother Jimmy.
So...
Abigail.
Yes, Daddy.
What is the authenticity of this your story?
Very, very authentic. My mother is alive. You can confirm from her. Don't used to lie.
Wow. What's your story? What do you think about this?
My mother is a businesswoman. There's one fish they used to call mangala fish. They used to sell in the village. My mother will carry it and go and sell. So she hardly stays at home. It's me and brother Jimmy that used to stay in the house. So that time, brother Jimmy would cook and give me and eat. Yeah, I was learning from him until when he now left university. I started cooking myself. That's where I wanted to cook.
Interesting. Interesting.
And what do you think about what she just said?
Well, I guess we'll have to invite Jimmy here, ask him to cook for us. Then we can prove the authenticity of what she's saying. Because as the saying goes, the proof of the pudding is in the eating.
I think I agree with you.
That would be very nice. If my brother cook for you people, you will need to hand.
Abigail!
Mom, sorry, Mom.
This is my life, my life, my life, my life. This is my life, my life, my life, my life. I just wanna be free.
Don't tell me he has gone to bed by this time.
Let me be free.
Drink it. Hello, brother. Brother, how are you? I'm fine, no. I've been calling you since afternoon. You've not been picking your calls. Okay, oh, how is work? Hope you're fine. I'm fine, oh, just there. Mama is fine. She's doing very well. She's okay. Brother, you know Mama now. She wasn't happy I was leaving for the city. She cried and cried and cried. Yes, so she was not so happy. That was how she cried the other time you were leaving for the city too. Anyway, I won't blame her. No, she'll be left alone. Now she doesn't have any husband. But if you bring Mama to the city, she will be the one shouting, I want to go back to the village. I want to go back and take care of my goats, my fowl, my farmland, everything. But I'm telling you. Okay, brother. Okay. Hey, brother, I want to tell you something. Please, yes, brother. Please help me thank Chief and his wife. They came to the house today. They bought wrapper, cartons of Indomie, rice, and everything nice for Mama. Mama, you don't know Mama. Mama danced and danced and danced. She was so happy. She thanked them so much. Brother, I was happy. Yes, brother. And they also give Mama some money too. Yes. Brother, thank them for me. They have done so well. I don't know what we have done with that chief and his wife. We are so grateful. God bless them for me. Bless them, brother. Yes, brother. Brother, they warned me, oh. MTN has warned me. Okay. Okay. Good night. We'll talk some other time. Bye. Hey. That's my brother Jim. You like gist? You like so many gist? Hey. Abigail. Yes, mommy. What are you doing inside? The phone is ringing. Okay. Good morning, Honorable. I'm definitely coming for the rally. As a matter of fact, I'm on my way already. I should be there in a jiffy. Yes. I hope other party members are there too. No. Honorable, don't go there. This rally was scheduled for 9 a.m. and 9 a.m. it will be. Yes. I'll be there soon. Okay. Mommy, yes. Okay. Hello, Honorable. What? No. Wait. Let me call you back. Abigail, my other phone, please. Yes. This is Dr. Honorable Christian Adora. Okay. How are you doing? Yes, campaign manager. Where are you at the moment? Are you at the campaign venue? Okay. Somebody just called me now and told me there's something going on at the campaign ground. Are you aware of it? Please. Manager, I need you to have a peaceful resolution with those people and find out what they want. If it's money they want, give them the money and let them get out of that place. Yes. And be fast about it. Okay?
Okay, okay. Do that and get back to me. Alright. What's going on today? Honorable Richard. Oh, no! Not today. This should be my opponents at work. Destroying things? Okay. Now is everything okay? Abigail, I'm afraid no. Some hooligans at Campaign Square, destroying everything. Just when I thought I was breaking new grounds and spreading my tentacles. So what do you want to do now? I'm afraid we have to drive down to the office. Okay. We'll wait until we hear from Honorable Richard. Then we'll know whether to go for the campaign or not. Alright.
Oh, love, yeah, it's the best tonight, but love, yeah.
Where did brother Jimmy go? I've been knocking.
Love, yeah, it's the best gift I've ever got. Love,
Who is that?
Brother Jimmy is me.
Abigail, is that you?
Yes, brother.
Okay, come in. The door is open.
Brother Jimmy, I've been knocking since. So you'll be here, you'll be sleeping.
I came back from church after eating. I slept off. What's going on?
Nothing. I came visiting today.
So you're this beautiful. Look at my sister.
Should I stand up?
So you're fine like this?
What's that one? I'm not my village girl. A grand
You know how you're looking like?
How much?
You're looking like this old teacher.
Which teacher?
Old teacher, the olden days. You look good, Sha.
Thank you. How are you?
I'm good.
So did you cook? I miss eating your meal.
Wait, first.
What is it?
Are you here to mock me or what?
How? How?
You came to your brother's house instead of you to enter the kitchen and cook something for me. You're asking me, did you cook?
Brother, I missed you. Even if I eat all the best meal in this world, see that your food is cooked for me. I want to eat your food though. So is there something nice in the kitchen?
I did not cook anything. I did not cook anything. If you really want to cook for me, not asking me, how did you cook?
I'm hungry.
You're hungry? Okay. Okay, go to the kitchen and help yourself.
I know. You're the best, brother.
Hey, wait, let's not forget. I had a dream. I don't really understand that dream.
You had a dream?
Yes.
Tell me about dream. What's up with the dream?
What I'm even telling you is because I know you can interpret some stuff like that.
So what happened? What's it all about? Tell me the dream.
Okay, in that dream. So what do you think about the dream?
Brother, dreams are revelations. God has revealed who your true wife is in that dream.
How?
You said in your dream, you got married to this particular lady you used to know.
Yes, this other lady, I don't really have anything to do with her. She's just a friend. Yes, she's just a friend. But I'm head over heels in love with another.
Okay. But yes, it's
but I want to marry her. I love her.
What is clearer right now? This particular lady you love, she is not the same lady you saw in your dreams.
Exactly my point.
The question is, this particular lady you love, is she responding to you?
don't understand.
So this particular lady, have you made your intentions towards her?
On several occasions.
And what was her response?
I don't know. She keep turning down my proposal.
You see, she doesn't love you. You are the one that wants to get married to her, and she doesn't want to get married to you.
I love her.
And she doesn't love you. Alright, fine. Brother Jimmy, what do you love about this lady?
You want to go there? Man, this lady is beautiful. If you see her color, black beauty, her curves, her charisma, her intonation, the way she carries herself, though she's very rude, but those things are the things I love. I don't know.
You see, you don't love her. You don't.
Again, I love her.
No, Brother Jimmy, don't love her.
I love her.
You only love her because she's beautiful, her charisma, she has curves, she has... Brother Jimmy, do you know that beauty is in the eyes of the beholder? Because you don't love this lady. You only love her because of how she looks. How will you feel if you get married tomorrow and divorced next tomorrow? Would that be nice? You only love the things you see about her.
What are you trying to talk?
Brother, what I'm trying to say is that you don't love this lady. The person you love or who you're going to get married to is who God revealed to you in your dreams.
What?
Yes, that is it. Fine now. Well, as you said, I want to go and dish my food in the kitchen. So think about it. I'm off.
You won't understand. I love this girl.
You know, loving you is the best thing I ever done. Loving you, center of my world. You're the best gift I ever got. Loving you, that's all I wanna do. Oh, baby, let me love you.
Rosie.
Mr. Jimmy.
Please, I want to ask you something, a friend of mine had a dream and he asked me to help him interpret it.
For real?
This guy in particular has a girlfriend and he really loves that girl so much that he loves everything about the girl, even the sand she matches on.
For real?
Yes, for real. But this particular girl is not even looking his way. It's not even... This girl doesn't send this guy at all. Then this guy had a dream where he wedded another person, a friend from church.
Mr. Jimmy, don't you think the dream explains it all? Or you don't think so?
Yeah. I interpreted my own version for my friend, but he's not just okay with my own interpretation. So he asked me to help him as another person to see if...
Okay, I see. Okay, now listen. God uses our dream to reveal a lot of things to us. Yes. It makes it so easy for us to understand what should be and what is going to be. That is why no man or woman should ever take his or her dreams for a joke. God doesn't want your friend to make a mistake. That was why he showed him the dream.
Miss Rosalie, is that your own interpretation?
Yes. Or what is your own interpretation?
No. I think they're the same. Exactly the same thing I told the guy, but he's not just comfortable with my own interpretation. That's why I'm asking you, you know. Yes.
I understand. The girl in his dream is his real wife. And the other girl he loves, that's not his wife. So you just have to tell him so he doesn't make a mistake. Because God is not a liar and he will never lie. Okay? So, Mr. Jimmy, I believe I've already explained the dreams to you. Is that okay?
Oh yes, thank you so much for your own interpretation.
It's alright.
I'm sorry for interrupting you.
It's alright.
Sir.
You sent for us?
Yes, I did. But I have to see the MD first.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so how are you?
I'm good. Pretty good.
And you, Roslyn?
I'm very fine, sir.
You look good. Both of you.
You look good too.
Alright, I'll see you.
Okay.
Alright. Leave me alone.
You all know Jimmy very well. He's the company messenger. You know how he works. He's a very funny person. He makes everybody happy. But aside that, it might interest you to know that he is a first-class graduate of business administration. And while working as the company messenger, Pedro and I have tested him in various capacities, and he delivered very well. So, consequently, I am pleased to announce to you that Jimmy is our new general manager.
Oh my God! Mr. Jimmy! Congratulations, sir. Congratulations.
You mean me?
Of course you, Jimmy. So, the...
Chief.
Yes.
Are you sure about this?
Of course. Do you have any problem with that?
Why Jimmy?
Why not him?
I mean, I see this with a bit of skepticism.